Hello dear friends, welcome to the channel Techno and if you are new to the channel kindly subscribe to it and press the bell icon. In today's video, I am introducing you a fabulous project, Dogeland. Welcome to Dogeland, your gateway to innovative crypto lending. You can see the white paper, it is audited by CoinSelt, solid proof. Pre-sale now open, you can check it out 9 days, 49 minutes, you can see USDT raise, you can check it out until sold out, you can see your purchase Dogeland, you can check it out ATH, you can buy it via USDT, also you can buy it via card. Simply enter your ATH amount and you will easily buy. Also you can buy with BNB too. Connect your wallet you are using like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. This is simply an amazing project. You can buy these tokens and you will get profit in futures. Also you can see it is decentralized lending, user-friendly interface, security and transparency, community governance. Experience true decentralization with our peer-to-peer lending platform. Borrowers and lenders interact directly without intermediaries, ensuring lower fees and better terms. Dogeland is designed with simplicity in mind. Our intuitive platform makes it easy for users of all experience levels to navigate, invest, and borrow. Security and transparency. Powered by blockchain technology, Dogeland guarantees transparency in all transactions. Smart contracts automate, minimizing risks and eliminating the need for trust. Community governance. Token holders have a say in the platform's future, participate in voting and proposals to shape the direction of Dogeland. Also, you can see how to buy. Connect wallet to purchase Dogeland. You need to connect your Web3 wallet. You can do this at the top of the page in our pre-sale platform. Participate in pre-sale. Visit our pre-sale platform at the top of the page and follow the instructions to purchase Dogeland tokens using your preferred cryptocurrency. Receive tokens. Once the pre-sale is complete, your Dogeland tokens will be available to claim on claim day. More details on this will be provided once the pre-sale is over. Click on buy now right here. You can easily buy. Simply you can buy it right here. Connect your wallet simply using MetaMask and you can use any other wallet. This is an amazing project guys, you can check it out. Also you can see their tokenomics, you can see total supply, you can see Dogeland fund, you can see pre-sale allocation 20% of supply, development fund 20% of supply, staking and rewards 10% of supply, marketing 15% of supply, team and advisors 20% of supply, ecosystem funds 10% of supply, exchanges 5% of supply. Our roadmap, you can check it out. Phase 1, pre-sale and token launch. Initiate token pre-sale, launch landing Dogeland token on major exchanges, start community building initiatives. Phase 2, you can check it out. Expansion and enhancement, expand supported cryptocurrencies, introduce mobile app, roll out advanced features like collateral management and multi-currency lending. Phase 3, platform development, finalize smart contract development, launch testnet for beta testing, conduct security audits. Phase 4, platform launch, release Dogeland platform to the public, introduce initial lending and borrowing features, implement staking and reward programs. FAQs, what are the FAQs, what is Dogeland and how what is Dogeland and how does it work? You can check it out. Dogeland is a community-driven platform that allows users to lend and borrow Dogeland across multiple blockchain networks by utilizing a unique multi-chain strategy. Dogeland ensures a seamless and connected lending experience. How can I participate in the Dogeland pre-sale? You can check it out. All the FAQs right here. Is Dogeland safe and secure? Yes. What are the benefits of using Dogeland? You can check it out. Dogeland offers a fun and approachable way to participate in decentralized finance DeFi using Dogeland. Also, you can see other details. Stay connected. Follow them on their official Twitter, Telegram. You can check it out. Follow them on their official Telegram group. Also, it is audited by CoinSell. You can read it out. All the details right here. This is an amazing project, guys. You can read it out their white paper. Also you can check it out all this stuff on the official white paper, mission and vision, community joyful spread the essence of Dogeland, key features of Dogeland. You can see all the other details on the official white paper right here. You can see other details right here. Advantages, interoperability, scalability, cost efficiency, resilience. You can check it out, smart contracts and all the details. You can see all details right here and you can check it out. Welcome to Doji Land Staking. Welcome to Doji Land Staking. The distribution of Doji Land token rewards will occur at a rate of 9512 Doji Land tokens per Ethereum block. These rewards will be dispersed over 1 year and will be claimable once claim goes live. Staked balance, you can check it out. Doji Land, US stakeable, Doji Land, buy and stake. Percent of pool, you can check it out, all the details. Also, the staking yield is more than 30,000% annually. The reason is because we have just launched the pre-sale today. You can check it out, all the details right here. You can see this is an amazing project, guys. Investing in cryptocurrency involves significant risk and may result in the loss of all your capital. Always conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions. So guys, I hope you like my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. We will meet with another exciting video. Till then, bye and take care.